We're going to start with a 35 millimeter charcoal comet with purple mine. 35 millimeter silver comet with blue mine. Going into preloaded 62 millimeter shells, this is blue peony with white stroke pistol. Brocade crown with red falling leaves. Pistol. Yeah, well, okay. Brocade to blue. That was half and half with the brocade ring. Okay. All right. Brocade to white stroke. Somebody wired a brown road. All right. Gold hourglass pattern with a blue ring. All right. Hourglass pattern with a red ring. All right. Half red, half blue with brocade with it. I think we already shot that, but let's see what's on 77. Fire away. That is okay to white stroke. Alrighty. Half green, half purple with silver palm tree center. Okay. Alright. Half purple, half yellow with a brocade ring.
Maybe.
Pretty good. Lemon strobe. Alright, try it again. Red glitter with blue that's a lemon strobe. Alright. Green glitter willow with blue stars. Okay. Red sunflower ring out, silver outside, red inside. And they failed it. Alright, yellow peony with green strobing pistol. And white glitter, no wait, I skipped it here. Silver brocade with a red strobing pistol. They may want to jump there. White glitter willow with red stars. Alright, starting the fans, here is a blue mine and red glitter willow comet, 13 shot slice. Next is purple mines with green glitter willow comets. Next, red strobe mine with blue wave comets. Alright. Where do you see that at? 89? Okay. Momentarily off. Okay, blue mines with silver comet. Stepping up to 40 millimeter bows, this is a 9-shot blue mines red crossset comets. Brocade mine, blue crossset comet. Alright, 9-shot slices, Gold Wave Tails Crackle Flower with Gold Wave Tails to Gold Wave Burst. Gold Wave Tails to Red Strobe and Gold Wave Tails to Gold Wave Burst. Nine-shot Gold Wave Tails to Gold Wave Peony and Gold Wave Tails to Sea Blue Burst. Alright. Gold Wave to Blue. Gold Wave to Golden Crown. Electrical issue. There it is. Alright, next item. 9-shot Purple Mine, Charcoal Comet. Red Mine, Silver Crossette Comet. Yellow Mine, Purple Crossette Comet. Alright, these are 7-shot Blue Tails to Brocade Waterfall. Seven-shot Pink Lemon Aqua Burst with all the silver glitter tails. Seven-shot Red, Orange, Yellow, Green, Blue, and Purple Aqua Burst with same color tails. Seed. Seven-shot Red Comet Tails to Gold Wave Burst. Gold Glitter Mine to Blue and Gold Strobe Peony. Seven-shot Purple Mines to Purple Peonies. These are Sea Blue Mines and Sea Blue Peony Burst. White Strobe Mine and Blue Peony Burst. Okay, we're going to the 25 millimeter. These are 20-shot instant fire cakes. This is instant fire